Okay, I'm in Ghana right now at the Google AI Center here in Accra. So if you're still thinking that people in Africa live in huts, wake up.
Tell them to wake up, Tell them to wake up, my guy. You think Africans are still living in the 13th or 12th century? Goodness, that is a lie, I do not understand why people love to be fed on lies, even up to this time of civilization. Africa is heaven. You know what? Let's roll.
Okay, so we're in Ghana at Fair Freak and we are at a chocolate factory. Inside of here, they produce chocolate locally in Ghana. And we're going to the plantation, going to see how chocolate is actually made, the entire full value chain. We're super excited because I'm a big chocolate addict. I'm in Ghana right now at a chocolate factory. And look at this. This is where chocolate gets made and I just want to grab it and eat it. It's so hard not to try. But I love this. Ghana is amazing. I'm in Ghana right now and everyone has been saying of my friends, isn't it way too rural and too poor? But then we see this. And every time I see that, I always see in Ghana, it's just blowing my mind. And those are the videos I have to share with my friends because it's just showing us that we think of Africa differently than it actually is. It's a lot richer than we think. And it's just insane what I've been seeing these days here. Okay, we're here at a Ghanaian incubator called MEST. What's your name? Paco. Okay, so we're at MEST, and at MEST, the students here get to build something in the software space, right? So what have you been building?
So I'm trying to build with my team a fintech application that can help francophone students to receive money in Ghana from their mother countries.
Okay, what is it called?
The name is Money A, and the name of the solution is Money A, and we are prototyping currently. So we are trying to test with users so that we can know what it is going to be more fitting with them and more easy to use.
And Paco, how is MEST helping you with that?
MEST is providing a lot of experts in the domain and also about regulation and a lot of things. And also we are trying to pick to a lot of people so that it can be more accessible and we can have a lot of feedbacks from MEST experts, team, and also about logistics when we are trying to go to see our clients, talk with them, interview and all other things.
And how did you get into MEST?
I get into MEST when I was just scrolling on Instagram and I just saw the post of MEST talking about the program and I just applied. And after that, I was just listed, and now I'm here with friends and a lot of people, amazing people I've met here, and I'm building my network around them.
Nice, just like Paco, MEST is full of smart people, and I'm really enjoying the time here. Nice.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. Bye. Okay.
The first one, Cybertruck in Africa, this one. Even before Dubai, they had it here in Ghana, Accra, Ghana. How amazing! And the drives. So smooth. It's really a big ass vehicle.
It is.
So funny.
It is a big vehicle.
It's such a statement piece.
When we talk about Ghana, these are some of the things that I really come here most of the time to tell you about Ghana. These are some of the things. Everything you've watched in the series of videos is absolutely true. Okay, that is Ghana. That is Africa. Your own people are telling you what they are seeing here. These are your own people telling you what they are seeing when they came here. Trust me, it's very beautiful. The Cybertruck issue, that was the first Cybertruck in Africa. And it was bought by a Ghanaian, brought to Ghana, on the soil of Ghana. And it's so beautiful. And one thing, it is sitting in a museum. Oh my goodness, for your Cybertruck in your countries, your millionaires or your people who bought them are riding in it and having fun with it. Trust me, in Ghana, the Cybertruck is sitting in a museum. How do you explain to people that their Rolls Royces, their G-Wagons, their Lamborghinis, how do you explain to people that, their ancient cars and modern cars, okay, are sitting in museums in Ghana and even nobody is bragging about it. Nobody even cares about it. How do you explain to, people in this way, okay? How do you tell people that, the cars that they are bragging about, the cars that, they are flexing in, okay, the cars that, how do you explain this to people, okay? Have you ever been to Ghana before? But what? Do you know someone who have ever been to Ghana before? Just walk to the person and ask the person about Ghana. all the things that you are bragging about are sitting in a museum in Ghana, and you still think about the fact that Ghanaians are living in huts, they are living in caves, they are living on trees. I do not, I do not know how to change that perception. I don't even know. So just find a way to come to Ghana. If you think I am lying, just Google Despite Museum and find out series of cars that are parked in that museum. It will blow your mind. It will fascinate you. In Ghana, there are so many of rich people. There are so many of rich billionaires in the country. And for your Cybertruck, for your Bentleys, for your Lamborghinis, for your Rolls Royce, there are a lot of them sitting in museums in Ghana. It's not doing anything. They just bought for the museum and it's just there. And that is how rich people are in the country we are talking about. Have you ever been to Ghana? This is your call to come to Ghana. For you who have been doubting about Ghana, see, food, security, culture, tourist sites, everything is assured. We have some of the best food that you can think of. Just come to Ghana. I have always told you that Ghana is the only place in Africa or in the world that you can travel to without even knowing anybody. You just think about traveling to Ghana, you hop onto the next plane, you come to Ghana, you find a place to stay, a hotel to lodge, and that is it for you. Everywhere you want to go, the country is open up to you. You can explore the country alone without knowing anybody, okay? It is very beautiful to be in Ghana, and it is very beautiful to be a Ghanaian. At this particular moment in life, the country that you can really associate yourself with is Ghana. Ghana is home. Ghana is the new haven. Ghana is the new star. So if you are ever thinking about traveling, think about Ghana. See, Ghana is here to receive you, offer you an experience of a lifetime. Have you ever tried Ghana? Let me know if you have ever been to Ghana. I want to know your experience in Ghana. How did Ghana treated you? I think people will be interested in reading your comments under this particular video. People will be really excited to know how Ghana treated you, for them to decide whether to come to Ghana or not. Just come to Ghana and have a relaxation of a lifetime. And I love the fact that, Ghanaians are even quiet on this. And your own people come in here and they cannot stop. They keep trumpeting what they're experiencing in Ghana. And Ghana is a haven. We are not living in huts. We are not living on trees. We are not living in caves. Ghana is a special place for you. Book your flight to Ghana and you will never be disappointed. Ghana is the only place that when you come to, there is a feeling that you can't hide. You want everybody to know that you came to Ghana or you've been to Ghana before. There are so many things when you tell people, it's hard for them to believe because over the years they have been fed on lies. And imagine somebody who have been fed on lies and you trying to let them know that whatever they've been fed on is not true. It will be very difficult for you or such a person to take people through such lessons. And it's very difficult. But one thing that you definitely have to do is to try to convince them to experience it themselves. Come to the country and have a feel of what you came to see, and that will definitely change their perspective forever. Try your best and put Ghana in your plans, and let us see you in Ghana, and let us hear you talk about Ghana, and let us know what your thoughts and your perceptions about Ghana will be like. This has been the Cash Official. We bring you more of these videos on this channel. If today happens to be your first time, please be part of the family. Subscribe, like the video, and possibly share for others who are interested in this kind of video to have an opportunity to watch it. Thank you for watching. This is the Cash Official. Peace out.